some Cantonese here, and unfortunately I don't speak Cantonese, but I'm very good at mimicking sounds, so I'm gonna try doing it. 大家好，我係玉山多馬斯佐士，好高興今晚見到大家。
Listen to me now, babe. I want you to the bone. I want you to the bone. Oh, I want you to the bone.
Our story begins 12 years ago in the past. So Chloe and I met when we were both 19 years old in South India. That was 12 years ago. I came downstairs from my hostel room to drink some coffee because there was a coffee shop, and I saw a group of students there, and in the middle of those students was an angel with a, you know, in the movies, like a spotlight on top of her. So a spotlight on top of her, and an angel was standing there. And that was my first meeting of Chloe, and it was basically love at first sight.
Walk you down my lane, hold you tight, you call it. I'll take control, my body and soul, mind you for sure, I'm already yours.
大家可以幻想自己係一粒星星，識發光嘅星星。咁當你好靚啊，閃閃發亮嘅時候，當然會好吸引，好 charming， 好多人會想接近你。咁但係我哋生活難免會遇到低潮，我哋都會有暗淡無光或者散落成碎片嘅時候。但係呢個時候，如果係啱嘅人，佢就會喺漆黑之中揾到你咯。佢將你嘅碎片逐塊執起。然後佢會用佢嘅愛將你重新拼湊為一顆新嘅星星，你會比以前更加好，更加發亮。我想講我先生就係呢個人。
There was a long time in my life where my heart was empty, and where I had no belief, I had no courage, and I was absolutely lost. But you taught me how to believe. You taught me how to be brave. You taught me the meaning of life. You taught me there is something worth living for. You taught me how to live alive. And I can't wait to spend every single moment of our future together. Every sorrow, every joy, every mountain, every valley, every stitch, every soul, every happiness, everything. I can't wait to share it with you for the rest of our lives. And I promise to you, dear, I will be there for you always, with God as our center in our life, to love you, to pray with you, and to support you. I love you so much. Thank you for being there for me. Thank you so much.